The creation of a 3D design of a sheet metal part is just the first step. To make the design a reality, you need a flat pattern file that can be imported directly in your CAM program, complete with all the information necessary for manufacturing the part on your machines. This is easily done with SPI SheetMetal Solutions. In this video series, we introduce you to some of the ways our sheet metal software can save you time and effort in designing, unfolding, and manufacturing sheet metal parts. This time, I will tell you more about our data output formats. With SPI SheetMetal Solutions, you can simultaneously generate several different output formats during unfolding. Alongside widely usable DXF files, the software also offers special file formats, such as GEO for Trump software and XML for WiCAM programming systems. These formats contain not only geometry information, but also other manufacturing relevant data. The exact settings available depend on the output file type. That said, the software allows you to configure the settings for file name generation and directory specification for all file formats. The generated unfolding files can contain, for example, tool numbers and rotation angles, or bending information with the necessary tools and bending angles. No matter which solution you use for CNC programming, our software has got you covered. SPI SheetMetal Solutions will help you to achieve a seamless data transfer in your sheet metal process chain. Why don't you try it out for yourself? Contact us for an online demonstration and a free software trial.